If we have the expression 20 plus 6 divided by 2 times 7 minus 4, which option is the correct answer? First solve it yourself and write your answer in the comments, then see my answer. Many people solve it this way. They say 20 plus 6 is 26, and 26 divided by 2 is 13, and the result of the parentheses is 7 minus 4, which is 3, and finally 13 times 3 is 39. But this answer is wrong because they don't follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is exclusively for the bright minds. If you're smart, hit that subscribe button. Let's solve our problem correctly. In this expression, we have addition, division, multiplication, and parentheses, and inside the parentheses there is subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Then the expression becomes 20 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3. In this new expression, we have addition, division, and multiplication. The priority is with multiplication and division, which must be solved from left to right. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, and finally 20 plus 9 is 29. If you enjoy these kinds of math challenges, subscribe and like the video.